ni saa cia Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Musaisiani sielilika mwendo wa saa 3:30 cia wiyo masaa macio mabika guthoche thini wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo ngumanyithie Mauvoo alatu na momesani ya Vilingi wa Mauvoo mwendoni wa saa 3:30 cia wiyo. Sharon Dinda no kutwaliolela Mauvoo kwanzia ya meko nito Faith MAKENZI wa mutungana katwambe kuona kati wa Mauvoo alatu manengete uitoki wiyoni cha umuthi.
Alatu kumbanesie ne vamwe na
Atitima UDA kuya mwingi kukulia Musumbi Ruto anengani mwanya wa CAS kwa umwewo. Munini wa Musumbi Rigathi Gachagua USS serikali mbituku ta iyo shilingi bilioni 16. Andu eli kwiki wambini maikonanwa na wanganganya midhuani ni kauntini ya Masako. Na muyumbe wa Matungulu kwenda Ndongo ikwatane na andu mango ya ulaukwa ile kisomo.
Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Musesia tuateni dhini wa Facebook ni Mutongo TV ni na udho changu manyidie. Ati chama cha UDA lembetani ya ukamba no mande kudhuthia Musumbi William Ruto alilikane mbai ya mukamba kwa ibinda yingi deno iseso yila yende ya kumanda maminista atethesia aungamika na chief administrative secretaries amwe maatongo ma UDA kuma mwingi kauntini ya Kitui ni mwisu wa Musumbi alilikane mwana wa wakili Paul Musimi dhini wa mnyanya yukite ya CAS bala maweta noweweka kuma kisioni cha mwingi kulite mwanya usu Musimi mwaini wambe nuno lotetwe ni President William Ruto kutweka memba wa bodi ya kungamia Hustler Fund. Benjamin Mwaka nukutupingu ya Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Mbai ya mukambano yende kumvoya President William Ruto eke chendiki mwana dhini wa iseso ila yukite ya kuwa miana ya maminista nini aungamii yani Chief Administrative Secretaries CAS gudhu ya tongo ikumo kamba na alamethi tuituesya utechi wa UDA aingi kuma kisioni cha mwinge imeyumilia kukathia kuoloto kwa Paul Musimi dore dhino wa list yandu maaneli na miongweli na ana alame umelilia mata kivila cha CAS zamani ya maminista.
And we want to take this earliest opportunity to thank His Excellency, our President, and Dr. William Samoei Ruto, one, for shortlisting Paul Musimi, picking him out of the 5,000 applicants who applied for this CAS position. We are very lucky in Mwingi that we have Paul, and we continue to trust and pray that he will be one of the CAS in this Kenya Kwanza government.
Kwa mbeo dio sisi ba yambe tukulia rais kwa ndai yasionde panelele kwetha yuzi ba masetu azu emunenge Paul ndore ebinda die atokome ta munini wa minister nikana wethe na mwingi na mundu etoma na mundu wa samathina maitu.
Ndore stands out as the only key senior person who has applied and been considered for the senior positions of CS, CAS and PS. And therefore, the entire population of Mwingi will be very grateful and very happy if the young man is given an opportunity to serve in the Kenya Kwanza government.
Paul Musimi ndole nolani wakili editwe munyanya wa President William Ruto evidayasa na valano metuki mwainu wambe mwaka huu unolotilo ni President kujwika umuha memba ma bodi ya kuungamia kinandu cha kukilia hatandithia nini cha Hustler Fund ni maweta uoni utuika muyanu kumutwikithia muthuku mwina uniko munene zamani ya maminista serikali ni ya OU.
Paul is a person who has the manifesto for Kenya Kwanza at his fingertips. So is a person given that position will be able to execute immediately without having to refer anywhere.
He has stood with His Excellency the President William Ruto since 2013. He has the institutional memory of his government. He is a pioneer and an initiator of the Hustler Fund.
And he was able to achieve very high qualifications right from secondary school, the University of Nairobi, Kenya School of Law, and now he's a practicing lawyer. With all that effort, I want to assure His Excellency the President, if he gives him that opportunity, he will not let him down.
Dhino wa myana minene silikali nile nanganito kwa oyu kuma mwingi no mwandu Monica Juma ulande motai wa President Maunduni Mauvoo na usesei na yume kulia President William Ruto adhinia usovya nzama yake ama minister echo kathuna kange kamwe mwingi no kana mathina makisioki na county ya Kitundu mwene lembeta ukamba makwate vina mwingange wa kunena ni wa mesani ya usumbi.
Hii kamoja tu imebakia ya CAS, assistant minister. Hiyo tu ndio tunataka. Sisi hatutaki mambo ingine. Rais wetu
tunaelewana ndugu zetu.
Na katua sinduka uta hivi ndani ya kampeni President William Ruto ni wadhanie ute na miana ya otongoi akasukumisha kaunti himbia ya mwingi dhianiye kindukila mamulili kanyaingi ekie muvangoni.
Kuo twende na kwetela kibila kiki akasi bado atulilikane kwati ya kaunti ya mwingi withianitwa amuyana kwa ibinda ila ya ilite nebitisia mwingi no dusia ite no tukwenda kuona mwana witu ito eba ayulu kibilani kanata.
Dilivotia Vilingi wa Mauvoo kumava Musini wa Ilovi nye nitawa Benjamin na mwaka.
Tuitiana na angewaisunika na munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua UASIaka na utongoi wa serikali mbituku ni wange shilingi bilioni 3 cia serikali muthenya umwe mbe wa kula sausa kwani munene mubituku kutoiwa na shilingi inge bilioni 10 ebindani ya ikoni iraetha kitwe kotini ni Azimio mailiana na usindi wa President William Ruto. Gachagua yasia mabilioni amwe mambesa na ila kuweta tasia kile mebukoni ya andu amwe siabathitwe kukutana na watu linyo twa corona. Joseph Kitheka no atumbanisia ingewa.
Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua na umbulakana imwesi ilovia ile sevaniwe kutethese mwene ndika pindani kalanthi inene kumbilwa ni kuwa ya corona tasikothwe na kuikwa mfukoni ya andu amwe enendi maende na kuumia nangi kutiwa ni ithayu kuyana na munini wa President Gachagua na lokunenia kwa kisioni cha kiliombunge cha Tetu kila kikaundini ya Nyeri nikana mbe wa serikali wo koselela utongoi. Vatialite mithenya ili ya Kenya masakwane shilingi bilioni 3 tasiavithiwe kwanzia ile itekweleka ila kwa siamu matongwira mevana sia kuthosia imwe sia shares sia kampuni wa Telecom na kutoa misi ya andu amwanene vanthi ya Kenya valengi ukuweta nayo ikwani ya usokwani ila ya thakitwe kotini kuleana na usindi wa kivila cha usumbi yendeta vosiwe shilingi bilioni 10 iwete kana tasia iva amwe mama contractor na ilo ukuweta tasia kuwawa na ndeke muthemba wa helicopter itwaiwe andu amwe ala utekuweta nimo au.
Money was stolen from COVID when people are dying. 2 days before the elections, they stole 6 billion and pretended to sell some shares from Telcom. When there was a case before Supreme Court, they stole another 10 billion, purportedly to pay some contractors. Money was being brought in cartons at Wilson Airport and flown with choppers to people's homes. And these are the people now, unasikia wanaambiwa kuja andika statement kidogo, anaingia ndege anatoka. And these people who are thieves who are calling other thieves.
Munini uwa President nini ndito ikavindani kala ekomanite na nguthu imwe ya somi kuma kisioni cha Tetu kuyanyari pala ingi utumiye vusoyi kwa dha enendi makisiuki cha Mount Kenya kana milati yonthe ya maendeyo ila ya kwamie miaka 5 mibitu tameko miendesya ingi nikenda kwa ilia maendeyo ingi kisioni ki.
The 57 kilometers that are ongoing from Mauvoo Road, we are going to complete all of them. I want to confirm to you that Donyojeru, Ihida Road will be constructed.
Joseph Kitheka ngilivotea Vilingi wa Mauvoo Vamutongoi TV.
Esilueli masiko cia ukengani na wangangania ala methitwe mayitwikithia ta maobisa ma Mauvoo wa Inspectorate ma county ya Masako na kuosania koti kuma kwa enenthi ala matwaisie wia wa miako kisioni cha muthwani ukamba wa maboko nimekiwe mbini ni polisi na kusiwa kiseseni cha polisi kisioni cha Athi River. Mauvoo ani kuma kwa obisa munene wa Mauvoo wa itheka silikalini ya county ya Masako Anthony Mutuku ula ainena na Vilingi wa Mauvoo waweta nimekuendea na utwaisia misako ta isu. Daniel Mongela ni mwandiki wetu wa Mauvoo.
Eliayu maende na usi wa kiseseni cha polisi cha Mavoko itinoa kwithiwa maende na kuosania koti kwa ene miako mayitwikithia maofisa ma Inspectorate wala manaekiwe mbini itina wa ene nthi kukuna livoti.
We arrested 2 individuals who have been masquerading as county enforcement officers. They have been terrorizing the residents of Mudhwani ward by obtaining money, obtaining funds, purporting that they have the capacity to even approve and supervise construction within the said area. We have had a challenge within this area for quite some time, and following a very intensive crackdown, we have managed to nab these 2. What I can confirm is that we are proceeding to have them charged before court. They will face the full force of the law.
Nikumanunaki walayu ofisa munene Anton Ndambuki wombula kana silikali ya kaunti ya Masako ndisa kwetekela ene nthi mathino ni mikola na magule makuna livoti makusi yasiko taithi.
It is true, we have had a lot of complaints from wananchi that there are fellas who are moving around the county, purporting to be enforcement officers, purporting to be works officers, purporting to be lands and fiscal planning officers, and in the process obtaining funds from the Apples citizens. It is something that we are very much ready to fight till the end. It is a commitment by the government of Her Excellency Wavinya Ndeti that we have to serve our wananchi diligently, and we request them to always come to the offices in case they have some kind of complaint. So far so good. We are collaborating very well with our security agencies and also resident associations all over the county.
Maundu mawangangania na ene nthi kuveno ilovia na angi kunge wa mali yo maende na kuongeleka kumananga lama yeyulu ya mekalide walayu ene nthi maende na umanda nze itemba ilu sia kuimanthia ukwati.
It is true, for the last almost 2-3 years, that has always been the complaint from wananchi, and it's something that we are fighting. We have to break this menace. We simply can't operate with second impunity. We cannot allow it, we will not allow it, and it cannot continue.
Daniel Mwonkela, Mutongo TV, kumuva Mavoko kauntini ya Masako.
Twitiana na ngewa isuni kana moyumbe wa Matongulo Stephen Mule ni waweta kana bebata atongoi kukwatana na makundi ma wendi museo kwa ili ya kisomo na mono cha imansio sia kiubundi isiyo ni siandhi ya Kenya. Kwenana na Mule ni kana undu wabata kwa atongoi ni kuikidia kana mautuika onde ala amanyiwa meonewa ni mamatethia ibinda yukite indeti kubitukidwa ibinda ayatha na kukwata mba imansio ila si kisioni chake. Itina wandamboka yake kimansioni cha Katine Polytechnic ingi ni wakulia asi kuthuthia siana sio kutumia imanyisio ila siba kubikwitethia na maundu maki ubundi. Boni Mutisia ni watumbanisia ingewa.
Maskulu wa kimanyisio kinene cha Katine Polytechnic kila kimatongolo ngikuthoima melati kibathukanyo ila yende skulu ni uyu muyumbe wa kilomuge cha Matongolo Stephen Mutinda Mule ni wawetakana bevata tongo magakwatene na ngwatanio cia kiyene na thasumite nza wa nthi ya Kenya gwikiria kana maendeleo ma kisomo ni makwatwa mbau na kisomo kina cho ni chethiwa kiuniko kwa manyiwa la maendeleo na ukikwata isione kibathukanyo cia nthi ya Kenya.
We have had fruitful negotiation, fruitful information of how the college is doing and where we are. First, I want to thank the government of the day for making sure that we start our computer classes. They gave out 100 computers. We have seen them. They have already been installed in 2 different labs. So the students in this area can start doing their computer classes here, and allow any other partners to come on board. I've given them the hints. We need to do requests to GIZ, that was German Cooperation International, who supports TVETs.
Ano wetakana ithi walili ni wambe ukwatiania na ene nthi kana ene yanda kivathukanyo kwikithana kisomo ni cha ila kisioni chake na muno imanyisioni cia kiuvundi kuna manyo ala maende na ukikwata na lamumite isioni cia ndwani cia ukwati munini.
Also looking forward in cooperation with the European Union through Belgium program. We are looking at JICA, which is Japanese International Cooperation, also to come on board. We are looking at KOICA, which is the technical arm of the Korea government, which has also helped us to put up a polytechnic within the constituency called Kituluni. And we are continuing to knock to any door whereby there is any donor who can be of help to us to make sure that this college goes to the highest end of producing technical skills, not only to the people of Matungulu, but to the entire country called Kenya. As CDF, the school has tried to start up a structure for electrical department classes, whereby they have done the structure, but they have not been able to do the walling, the petitioning, the wiring. And as CDF, I think we have agreed with members that the project we are settling for the financial year 2023-2024.
Vaamenda seiva mwana ene nthi kuma isioni ila sithengene na kimanisio kiekwa na vata wacho na kuendea na ukitumia na ingia manyua kutumiwa nyizo sioni ila sithirulukite kaundi ya Masako na kwekana nga ilovia ila meumanda kisomo cha kiuvundi kwa sanao.
And we are committed to make sure that this college becomes a center of excellence of college within the area, and encourage our people within Matungulu, Kangundo, Mwala, and the neighboring Yata, Masinga. Kindly send your students here, because this college is offering diploma courses, certificate courses, artisan, and any other short courses, including hospitality. And I believe that we cannot afford to continue sending our kids far away for studies. It's cheaper, and it is going to make a changeover or a turnover of students within this area. So we want to encourage the local community. Please support this institution. As we come in as CDF to put more funds, we request also the community to support us.
Ngie ni wawetakana nukosa matambi makuendea na udhuthia ene nthi isioni siake kuona vata wa kisomo cha kiuvundi manyua kosa evuso kukwata kisomo ila kisioni sia ndwani na muno kwikithia kana kinethi wa chamana na chethi kiuniko na muno kwa uniwo.
We are going to rebrand the college. We are going to do campaign to the community. We are going to assist them with all manner of support to make sure that at least the students who come here, they live with proper guided knowledge, which will help them for their future and be leaders for tomorrow.
Kuma vaka undini ya Masako nyenito waboni Mutesia.
Musesia ange wa isu ya boni Mutesia nenga episotosi odhiumo wa datikanini dhini wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo. Lukadhibasa netu sioketheti.
Mukamba aisie ngundi yambe neyokau indi nisia wetina neka vila niambia wengi mukamba ni wisisia kusandongoi inyusa muluo
yu vaiku nyo muluo nondo Vilingi ni wabugwa
ukamba witu ni museo na wilato ndi ito Mutongo TV kwa tanyo ya mukamba ni tuafika
Mauvoo makele mavuti no konya uteti utandiria nanema no manidwa bandi ni wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo
Metha maitu mengunu kilandwani ukamba witu
kuma ketwinzene mweka make ono mama sako mamoka nenyo mama sako mweka nyamae ono mama kuene matinda
anaituma isio cia kisuani nginya muciini munene wa Kenya ilovi kitambacie kwata ikilalawa nundu woni wenyu wa Mauvoo ni wathela itina wa Vilingi kuvuvwa yu we makwata me mavyo maumete iko
cha kimwe kiruanda na ngwatanio ni vina yu Mutongo TV nikoka memekoka kama visa alake ukwatanya mukamba
Mutongo TV
ngwatanio ya mukamba
nitwavika
saingi ni wikala nthi ukekulia indi andu makengania chao
ngembesa ni ikundiri
yu inyaga switinye nakuya onanga kudumani onanga thingitha ngwata ndiuma mbesa ata ndina mbesa
na wenda ni kata
maunika na chao ubungu we maisha makubi
twesa ithi ya jamaa umwe kwenda iyita timukuna ka umuthuku muno
nundu ni lazima ulilikane kila kindu na wolwa nu ni wekanga na amaku kila wachumwa kwambia saile na nusu cia wiyo
wona mwaye kuyu ndukambelo nywa kiwu
nundu
utuku ndwambia wewe buyamba unguru wanya makuyu na wanywa kiwu mayutha ukiaevu nita wakasena ni muthukumi wa account uya kwa education iko nthukuma na ciana cia muthembo tite thea cia kuinenge bursaries ukana kagenda ndikiwo cheki
oyu
o mitukika cio ende school ka report na ciana ila ingi na thimithia kia meva nienda umabetanga nie na beba wa mukuka pio
twiloele kilungu cha kase kamundu kebata na maisha ma metolio na ubungu
keduke mauta mang'ombe yes usuwekie na ukiwanzoki wina mbesa yuhiti what you want
nova Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya mukamba
ni na udhocha ingi musiasia tuendeye imwe musomi na mutai wa maundu meukonia ukwati Dr. Morris Wambua ni wenda ndongo isa serikali wa kaunti ya Makueni kwibathana na uteti na kwituma kuthinikia amwe mathina ala me kwikumbila enendi ta ubungulu wa leu wa andu ana na indo kumanwa na munyao na indi kukuna njia kikisomo Makueni anene ya kanisani wa Redeemed Gospel Church Musini wa wote na bala ni ndini wa umbano wa ndongo isia makanisa Caleb Chalo ni wabika na atumbani siange waino
akinena itina umbano la wiyateta va ndongo isia kanisa sikivathukanyo na ula wethe wa kanisani wa Redeemed Gospel Church va Musini wa wote Dr. Morris Wambua musomi na mutai wa maundu meukonyo kwati ni wenda utongo wa Makueni utunge vitha nthini wa kuthinikia mafata manini ala mekumbilite mwene nthi tanza ila yende na kwikumbila isio musia Makueni na muno isio cia kilome sakiwetakana yuti vinda ya siasa na uneni na uthukumi wa kaundi waleta kuelekelwa maunduni ala meukonya mwene nthi ni wanengana ngelekanyo na serikali wa masaku ula nthini wa kukwata mbau kisomo unethiiwe na unaicha wale nthini wa sukulu ila siokonya kisomo cha ciana nini kana ECDE
o ine kumu muno byu na kwenda thiwa yingi byu na ciana mbinga ruthici ciana cia school na ciana ingi mbingi cio misio na hii na ndiye junior secondary kwou twenda kukulia na gitumikira kebone kwitha nundu wa nza niya tumite andu ingi muno mekala memisi oyu wa isia counties cia sub county ya Kilome wa sub county ya Kibwezi West icio the most hit nundu wa nza ila thiko na ni bondo no kulia atongo yu yonthe mathukume pamwe this particular time na ende mamindo thukuma bandu pamwe maicio no matongo tethesa kisio maisi sila sinanza maicio no tongo twa leu nundu for example tawasisia governor wa Vinya wa Masako nona wielu cha wa primary schools kondo wa ECDs gono wa chalasi so me katika early childhood education ko wazo butu expect na kuma kuoni kukwenda tena mwingi mbe ono masa kukwanza kuro ndo kule governance sio ndo kweka ai sio ndo work within the budget ile yake ai sia the ndola menanza makwata chau mata chau andi makulia atongo yonde mabao kamba yutisasio kuna siasa kana sio politics yuni siasa meko nesa itwala kwenda tuita gwati kwenda thino ni babala ngayo na provide kiwu ki provide weba ni kaiti ki allocation ya balls ya data kilome kukumetu ki allowance ya kwenza kuzi anda silanga sianata
avindani kau oinge Morris ni wenda serikali munene ulikile katina kwitana asiai na moyo uloko neche kisomo cha CBC akiweta kana asiai aingi nimekwemewa kumana na ngalama ya kisomo ki na kitumine kiu serikali munene walite kuwa sayana kutethecia nthini wa maundu amwe ta uyu wa mavuku na kuungamia ngalama imwe nongi musei avuthiwe
serikali ku especially national government they siondo itono tethecia ciana kuthwa athi o yuko thikile kilio chonthe cha makueni pala bondo kinda withia ciana cia junior secondary bingi cina athi skulu na ingi cio skulu niki niguthwa bika muno kwenda uniform ngimbia no kwenda desk cia kwikala no kwenda chao there is total lack of preparedness ko uni tono thomo kulia malika bachangelia in terms of infrastructure with the rozma nangwa desk cia kwikala with the pen funding at least ya quality and wasu say on never seen meko mama the uniform ni sawa lakini infrastructure cia kizilasi ke ibela cia kwikala ke desk na malokas sindu suwe the isuni cia provide wane ne government
uneni wa Dr. Morris Wambua ukakavindane kama na ulawi isi musio kamba ni utwikete muisio ikilikana kana isio mbingi cia makueni ine kwatambua nesa Caleb Chalo Mutongo TV Vilingi wa Mauvoo kumava wote county ya Makueni.
Musesiange waisu ya Caleb Chalo ni kutubicha muthia wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo mwendoni wa saa 3:30 muthenyani wa umuthi yutungia mbiwe mwanya nundu wa kutua kusakua kwendania na itukumela twambiliile mubewe mwanya kwa onthe alama ilia Vilingi wa Mauvoo bamwe na andiki maitu ma Mauvoo na Sharon Dinda nundu wa twalulila Mauvoo wa kwanzia ya meko nyeni to Faith MAKENZI wa Mutunga yu nutia mukoni make Star Kibisi Peter Mutuse ndini wa kilungu cha kwambata na muthenyani wa umuthi nitukwithu watu ikwetia mwini wengu makuma ilembetani ya ukamba kana Kenya yonthe Ben Mbadha kana kativu mwene ena ikundi yake ya Chaume Boss Band nikenda mabiki na kutanithia ndini wa kilungu kila tukwetia kila wathanthatu cha kwambata Mutongo FM na Mutongo TV indi ni kuendea kutana vamwe na kwiloela kativui aikukunia wathi akuetete wathi wa ndawa mwene. Nitwa Faith MAKENZI wa Mutunga kiyo kiseo.